Given that x, y are real numbers, x plus y equals 3. 1 over x plus y squared plus 1 over x squared plus y equals a half. Find x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further, and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. X and y are in the set of real numbers and satisfy the simultaneous equations. We have to work out x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5. It seems reasonable to solve the simultaneous equations first and then to substitute x and y in the algebraic expression. However, solving these equations directly might not be easy, as 1 is a fractional equation and involves higher order terms. One way is to simplify the fractional equation using x plus y equals 3. For example, work out x squared plus y squared, x cubed plus y cubed, and x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 in terms of x plus y and xy, as x plus y is given, so the problem can be solved if we can work out xy. Because x plus y equals 3, so x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 9. By rearranging this equation, we have x squared plus y squared equals 9 minus 2xy. X cubed plus y cubed can be written as x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared, which can be written as x plus y times x plus y all squared minus 3xy equals 3 times 9 minus 3xy. So x cubed plus y cubed equals 27 minus 9xy, because 1 over x plus y squared plus 1 over x squared plus y equals a half. So x squared plus y over x plus y squared times x squared plus y plus x plus y squared over x plus y squared times x squared plus y equals a half. 2 times x squared plus y plus x plus y squared equals x plus y squared times x squared plus y. 2 times x squared plus y squared plus x plus y equals x cubed plus y cubed plus xy plus x squared y squared. By substituting equations 1, 2, 3 in equation 4, we have 2 times 9 minus 2xy plus 3 equals 27 minus 9xy plus xy plus x squared y squared. 24 minus 4xy equals 27 minus 8xy plus x squared y squared. So x squared y squared minus 4xy plus 3 equals 0. xy minus 3 times xy minus 1 equals 0 by factorizing. So xy equals 1 or xy equals 3. We have two sets of simultaneous equations. xy equals 1 and x plus y equals 3, or xy equals 3 and x plus y equals 3. From 5, we have x times 3 minus x equals 1. That is x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. X equals 3 plus minus root 5 over 2. Y equals 3 minus plus root 5 over 2. From 6, we have x times 3 minus x equals 3. By simplifying this equation, we have x squared minus 3x plus 3 equals 0. There are no real solutions in this case. So xy equals 3 is discarded as xy are real numbers. So xy can only take the value 1. X to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 can be written as x squared plus y squared times x cubed plus y cubed minus x plus y times x squared y squared, which is equal to 9 minus 2xy times 27 minus 9xy minus 3 times xy all squared. Substitute xy equals 1 in equation 7. We then have x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 equals 9 minus 2 times 27 minus 9 minus 3 equals 123. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Given that x, y are real numbers, x squared y plus xy squared equals 20. Xy plus x plus y equals 9. Find x squared plus y squared. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.